Fool me once, that's on you.
Twice, that's on me.
Do you believe in second chances?
Hello, I'm Robin.
I'm Ina.
And I'm Gio.
Let's talk that talk.
Have you ever had that experience where like, niloko ka ng jowa mo, tapos sasabihin niya sa'yo, "Hoy, babe, can we fix this? I really miss you so much." So like, parang, are you the type of person who's going to be like, ay, sayang naman yung pinagsamahan namin, sayang naman yung mga shared experiences namin, yung Netflix and chill namin, and all that? Or are you the type of person that's just like, no, it's all happened in the past, you've wronged me now, I'm not looking back, I'm only looking forward to the future, this is a learned experience for me, and all that?
Honestly, never ko pa na-experience. Pero, to those who have experienced this, bakit nyo naisip na either bigyan ng chance yung shota mo or hindi? May naisip ako eh. Di ba yung sinabi ni Robin kanina na what if, yun nga, you don't look back in the past or either you look too much into the past. Ano sa tingin mo, Gio?
Personally, I would say no.
Eh, bakit?
Because what happened is, nangyari na. Wala nang magbabago.
Ah, okay. Well, for me kasi, it depends, Yung pagkakamali na yan, it's a spectrum.
True.
Spectrum.
For example, if they cheated, of course not. Magsama kayo nung kabit mo.
Oo, tama nga. But, di ba, like, grabe, nag-cheat na siya eh. So parang like,
Nagsawa na.
nagsawa na siya. Like, sabihin pa natin na, it was a mistake. Yeah, it was a mistake. I just don't believe that, mag-iiba pa siya. Kasi cheating na yun eh. Ang lala na nun.
Pero for example, if nagkulang lang siya sa pag-contribute sa relationship niyo, I think there could be a chance given to them. Unless hindi talaga sila magbago. So, that's where the problem is.
Yeah. So, agree with that.
As to what I said earlier na what if nagkulang lang sa pag-contribute yung shota mo sa relationship, actually, that's me.
Bakit ka nakulang, ante?
I didn't put too much effort into it. Kasi personally, marami akong problema. And like, medyo nagaano na sila sa relationship namin dati. And to the point na nag-break kami dahil doon. And then, I asked for a chance multiple times. But I was never given that chance. Kasi nagsawa na.
So, are you going to say na like parang, did he ever give you a chance? Or like parang, from the very start na nagkamali ka na wala na agad?
From the very start na like lumala yung pagkakamali ko, hindi na bumalik yung chance na yun. Actually, he gave me the chance multiple times and I took it for granted. Honestly, it pains me to say this, but it's true na ako yung nagkamali.
Well, that's fine. Well, then, maybe, I guess, you do believe in second chances.
Yes, naniniwala ako, pero pag sumobra na, dun na talaga yung point na wala na talaga.
Totoo.
That's why you shouldn't take it for granted.
Yeah. You should never take a person for granted at any means. Kasi kung may problema ka, may problema din naman sila. But, like, if wala ka lang pa kayo dun sa mga efforts niya na binibigay sa'yo, yung mga things na sinasacrifice niya for you, then, like, parang, di ba ang sakit nun dun sa tao na yun and all that?
And ang masakit rin para sa kanila is if you waste that chance that they've given you.
Yeah. It's so very real of you. Okay.
Now that we're sharing personal experiences, let me, I don't wanna talk about it. Sige, let's talk about it. Okay. There's this, I'm the type of person kasi that I just don't, like, parang I just trust you, and if you break that trust, that's on you. Like I said, parang dun sa intro. And then, syempre, I put a lot of trust in him. Then, parang a month siguro after, whatever, like parang nawala na yung spark and all that. And then bigla na lang, then after nun sa'yo, sabi ko, like, sige, wala na. wala na, tapos na yun. Something, a shift, a drift. And then malalaman mo na lang, nagulat ka na lang, may kasabay pala. Huh? Oo! Seryoso! Hindi kaya? Best friend ko yung, bestie ko na yung, hindi, bestie ko na. Bestie ko na yung ex na, yung kasabay ko.
Oh my God!
Kasabay ko. Ako yung may kasabay.
That's so funny.
Ang funny niya.
I love that for you.
Like, it's like, parang, wala lang. Tatawa lang ako. Like, I was just thinking, imagine if nalaman ko yon nung time na, like, sobrang gusto ko pa siya. Like, would I give that second chance to him? Like, cause like, the thing is, you can be so rational. You can be so rational about it. Like, parang, my brain says that I should stop it now.
But
And
your heart
I should-
says,
Yeah, but your heart says. Di ba? Like, parang,
corny?
oo, corny yung pagmamahal, guys. Wag na magmahal. Joke.
Ay, no,
Joke.
no.
Joke lang, guys. You know, love is a risk. Love is a risk. And,
It's like a gamble. Like, para kayo, yung mga addict sa 8-ball dyan, parang ganun lang yun.
honestly, nasaktan ka yata, Gio. Anong masasabi mo sa mga addict sa 8-ball for the, as a representative?
Bilang isang representative na naglalaro ng 8-ball. Ba't nyo kami tina-target? Naglalaro lang naman kami. Nahimik lang po kami naglalaro.
Nanahimik lang daw sila pero pinapost
Boss, ang
kapag
ingay-ingay
nananalo.
sa classroom.
O si pinapost nila kapag nananalo sila.
Oh my gosh, ang galing ko sa 8-ball. Anyways,
Oh,
nag-ano na tayo sa topic natin.
Liver, ano nga tayo, guys? Kasi guys, second chance na rin to ng mga... Eme lang.
Hoy.
Joke lang. Wait lang, guys. Ayan.
Actually, feel ko there are chances given to people. Like, kunwari, wala na kayo ng shota mo, pero, there's another chance for you. Yun, that's the second chance you deserve. Kunwari, someone more special than that person comes into your life. Gaya ko, eme. Just, like, kunwari, maybe they're actually not worth it. I mean, they could be worth it, pero they just aren't for you.
I agree.
Yun yung problema. And maybe those memories will come back to you and maiisip mo, wow, I had fun, pero they're just not the right person.
Yeah. And sometimes, I'm just gonna say this. Sometimes, ikaw yung mali, sometimes siya yung mali, sometimes walang mali.
Sometimes pareho.
Oh, sometimes parehong mali. You know? Giving out second chances is really much more complex than that. Of course, merong yung personal beliefs mo. Pero, hopefully, guys, yung pagbigay or hindi pagbigay ng second chance mo will benefit you as a person and be parang lang sa'yo, parang it will help you in your future endeavors man. In case you are put in another situation na like kailangan mo na parang, are you going to give that second chance again or not? You know? Hopefully, ganun yung mangyari for you.
Yeah, and thankfully, I met someone new. Sorry. Just lang. Pero like, walang kami. Pero, I've been learning to cope and heal. Hindi ko siya rebound. Oy, disclaimer, hindi ko siya rebound. Hindi ako nang re-rebound.
Ba't defensive?
Ako yung nire-rebound. Just hindi. Joke lang.
Ay, nako.
Wait lang, masama yun, guys.
Oo, masama.
Masama yun. Masama ang mang-rebound. Shoutout sa mga nang-re-rebound dyan. Joke lang.
Hoy!
Bakit magbura?
Cut out. Ay, neka, yan na lang, i-bleep. Ay, nako.
Pero,
May mahabang word yun. Bleep!
yes, true. Pero like, okay. Ito na. So, hindi ako nang-re-rebound. And honestly, feel ko di rin naman ako na-rebound. And that's very lucky for me.
Oo.
Very lucky.
Good for
Pero,
you.
good for you. Ikaw ba, na-rebound ka na?
Sinabay nga ako.
Oh my gosh, nagbura ulit ako, sorry.
Bleep ulit. Magugulat ka na lang. Hindi ko alam kung ako yung original, ako yung secondary, o ako yung third.
Sa sobrang gulat ko, napamura na lang ako. Sorry, be. Ganun talaga yon.
Ganun ang buhay.
Ganun ang buhay.
Ganun ang buhay. Dapat sabay. Sabay-sabay tayo.
Sabay-sabay tayo.
Hoy, commercial.
Wag po.
Hindi kami sponsored.
Hindi po kami sponsored. Sorry po. Anyways, back to second chances.
Sige.
Ano nga ba? Nabigyan na ba kayo ng second chance? Na-try nyo na ba yon? Kasi ako, na-try ko na multiple times, as I said before. Na-try ko na multiple times. Pero, na-try nyo na ba yung ikaw yung magbigay ng second chance? Kasi ako, oo. Okay, back in LM. LM pa to, guys. Bata-bata pa ako nun. Like, baby pa ako nun. Baby Ina. So, like, nagka-jowa ako.
Ayan! Ako kasi studios.
Ano kasi, yung jowa ko nun, gusto pa rin pala sa ex niya.
Halak, Ellen pa lang may XX na.
Diba?
Grabe.
Wala tao. Tapos sinabi ko sa kanya, okay, I'll give you a chance. Tapos nung nalaman ko gusto niya pa rin sa ex niya. Oh my
Ano?
God. Linok
Grabe
ko
yung-
siya sa lahat.
Grabe ang school mo, may mga ex.
Private school, be.
Kami mga kriminal. Yun yung meron sa amin.
Ano na kung parehas kriminal tapos mga mananandi, mga marurupok.
Hindi, ano lang sila. Like, parang sa tabi-tabi.
Hoy, don't say that word, Pao. Don't say that word.
Bawal.
Bleep!
Naninigarilyo, ganun. Okay. Okay na siguro yun.
Okay na yun.
Friendly.
Family
Huwag niyong gawin yun, guys.
Huwag kayo maninigarilyo. May nakita na akong sigarilyo dyan sa daan-daan dyan. Oh
We?
my God, oo, seryoso.
Alam mo. Chika ko muna. Chika minute.
Chika minute, guys.
Guys, marami naninigarilyo na na drivers. Oo, laki ko makikita naninigarilyo sila dito. Dapat pagbawalan na yun.
True, yung mga carpool. Grabe.
Stop.
Stop it. Stop smoking.
Yeah.
No to smoking.
No to smoking. No to vaping din.
No to vaping din. Shout out po.
Ayan, okay, balik daw tayo, guys.
Okay, give me a second chance, please. Give me a second chance. Okay, here. Anyways, wag kayong magbigay ng second chance kung hindi talaga worth it.
Totoo. Oh, basta wag lang, know your self-worth.
Paulit-ulit na kami, so let's try a different thing.
Punta naman tayo sa first chance mo. Don't waste it.
Kaya nga, you have all the time to prove yourself. You have all the time to improve as a person and, create bonds with that person that you love.
I agree.
So don't waste that chance.
Yeah,
Ever.
super duper.
Don't waste that chance.
Yeah, don't ever. You are given trust. Ang hirap mag-trust these days. Wala kasing walang any type of way to know if someone's lying or not.
Lie detector test.
Like, even those are sometimes faulty, Hindi
True.
naman niya sinasabi fly or not ba? I think more on
Tarot
heartbeat
cards.
ba? Wala, ang naman nun. Yeah, pero wag niyong sayangin yung first nila, yung pagtiwala sa'yo. Kasi kahit bigyan ka ng second chance, it will never be the same.
Ikaw ba, Gio? Kumusta yung first chance
Gio
mo?
na. Back to the Gio segment.
So like, pag nabigyan ako ng first chance, I would do everything na I can. And during it, I would try to improve myself. And trying to improve myself, I would not make myself little during that relationship.
Oh, this
Taray
guy
ng
knows his
sagot.
self-worth.
Oo, taray ng sagot ni
I
Kuya
love this
Gio.
guy.
You should, syempre. Guys, yun nga. Sige. Sorry
Pero in a relationship, dapat din talaga may improvement sa sarili mo throughout the relationship. Parang dapat you grow together.
Hey! Dapat grow together. Hindi yung isa lang mag-grow as a person, okay?
Sayang din naman na you're just a lesson to them.
Hoy! Hoy.
You're just, lesson learned. Character development.
Gusto mo yon? Payag ka doon?
O,
Character
kaya
development
doon,
ka
doon.
lang?
Hala.
Hindi
Ikaw yung ikaw magiging...
Siya din dapat gawin mong character development.
Ikaw yung, hoy, wait lang. Dapat tayo, improvement of self. Grabe naman na yung
Sorry. Sorry.
Grabe na yan.
Pero yun, gawin mo ring lesson yung mga past relationships mo. And para improve mo yung next. If ever may plano ka pa.
So for our chapter 4 conclusion.
Chapter 4.
Chapter 4 ba talaga yun? Ay, hindi, rad pala yun. Chapter 5 pa. Eh, wag na natin intindihin.
Huwag na kayo mag-research.
Pero,
Grade 10 nyo pa magigets. No?
guys, in conclusion, second chances are situational. Like, definitely
And
situational.
very complex.
Yeah, very complex siya. Hindi siya like hindi siya ganun kasimple as like walking stairs. It's not something you can give to someone easily. That trust that you have broken. Kasi nga, imagine, you broke a glass. Na very popular to.
Oo, you say
broke a glass.
sorry.
You break a glass. Sa tingin mo ba, maaayos mo yun ng like it was before? No.
Yeah.
Hindi na.
Naalala ko yung meme sa Facebook. yung mga yung mga memes ng nanay, yung you throw a plate on the floor and then it breaks and then you say sorry. Does the plate fix itself?
Yeah,
No.
No, it does not. It really doesn't. Yeah, so the very first chance that you are given, you're supposed to be, dapat, huwag mo nang utuin. Okay? Umayos-ayos ka. Please.
Nag-beg. Hala.
Please, wag mo sayangin yung chances mo. Nagmamakaawa ako, nakaluhod na ako.
Sim. Grabe yun.
Yeah, so, once again, I'm Robin.
I'm Ina.
And I'm Gio.
Till next time, let's talk that talk.